The body of a teenager was pulled from the Black River and the search is on for her sister. People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean and the whole world, people. The body of one of two girls who went missing in the Black River in St. Elizabeth has been found. The body of 13-year-old Gabrielle Madden was pulled from the river around 9 o'clock this morning by local divers along with the Jamaica Defence Force personnel. She attended the Christiana High School in Manchester. The search continues for 15-year-old Shalisha Lichmore, a student of Roger Clark High School in St. Elizabeth. The teens, both from Coker, St. Elizabeth, went missing about 3:30 p.m. yesterday in the Black River between Appleton and Magotty. They were at the river with several others when they were swept away by currents. A girl who tried to save them managed to escape unscathed. Divers began searching for them yesterday but had to call off their attempts at nightfall. So once we get more information on these people, we'll give you an update. So two girls went missing yesterday in the Black River. One has been found and the search continues for the other one. Unfortunately, the first one they found was pronounced dead, people. As we get more information, as I said before, people, I will give you updates on it. All right, much love.